Now, what we're going to do now is to create a template message. So why your WhatsApp API do not have the risk of getting blocked and banned is because each of your template message or the first message that's being sent out to initiate a conversation is already pre-approved by WhatsApp. So if the message is already deemed to be solid, to be non-spam or malicious intent, then obviously whoever who respond to that message should have the right or should have given the right to initiate a conversation. So again, click on setting. You can only do this as an admin. Go to can response, and above can response, you can see a button called add template message. Type in any name you like for the template message. Make sure there is no space in between the template message. The template message name will act as a shortcut later on whenever we want to re-invoke or recall this message. So I'm just going to use, as a best practice, we always recommend that you use the keyword temp as a prefix, so you know that this is not a normal can response but a special template message. So I'm just going to call this demo video, right? Select the inbox that you have intend to use it for. I'm going to select WA2, that was the one, and choose the language and choose your type. Now for the category, please refer to the document on what are the different charges for the different category and what are the suitable category for your message. For all intent and purpose in this demo, I'm going to choose marketing and I'm going to type in the template message. I can further customize and personalize the message by typing in curly braces, hi contact name, love to talk to you more about our car promo, right? You can attach a video, attach a document, or attach an image, or you can even add buttons, interactive buttons, and you are allowed to add up to 3 different buttons. So I'm just going to click submit. Now you will notice, right, for all the template message, when I click here is all template message. Each of the template message actually have a color icon next to this. The icon color indicate the status of the template message. If you recall earlier on, we said template message needs to be approved. Whenever we create a template message, Peasy will automatically submit the template message for approval. Once it is approved, the color will change to green. Let's go back to the template message we have created earlier. So I can filter by the inbox, right? So I'm going to select WA2. We have just created the message and you can see that status right now is still pending for approval. WhatsApp will normally take 1 to 2 hours for approval. Once it is approved, you can see the color change to green.